Hi, this is the Biz Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today, 27th of February 2023. Tomorrow, the month will be ending. Right, so we want to see how our analysis fared last week and also to let you know what we are expecting in the global financial market this week. All right, we usually start with gold, XAU USD, which is actually gold. So we actually analyzed last week that gold should be moving up from after testing the 38.2 retracement of this movement from this down here to this top here. And actually it was trying to move up after this rejection, but what we see due to dollar gaining some strength, gold actually moved down, and you can see where the price is right now, 1809, and most likely gold may actually try to test 1800, right? But we've actually started buying again. You can see I still have some position open here. We are still believing that gold will go up, right, from this point, right? So we are believing that gold should bounce from this particular region where it is right now. Even if gold wants to still make more down, maybe to go down to test all the way to 61.8, that there should be a bounce from this point, and that's why we're actually buying gold, right? So, but it's actually a risky trade. If you want to enter this trade, it's very risky. You can take your position, or you wait till after there is a proper rejection, or maybe if price goes down more to test 61.8 before we continue and start to buy gold. At the moment, we are actually buying gold this today. We've actually made 50 pips, but last week the last trade we sent last week on gold, we actually lost them. Let's look at it. Look at last week results. So we made some good pips on the gold last week. See our result last week. So we made some good pips. Wow. Okay. So look at it here. What we made. But the last trade we sent, we lost about 3 trades last week on gold, and we actually started buying again today, believing that gold would bounce from there. Okay, so but in all we made 840 pips. Some of the trade was old trades we were holding before last week, so we still made 840 pips last week. So you can join our Telegram channel where we send the results, and that is Win Forex with Dubis on Telegram. Win Forex with Dubis, that is our Telegram channel. You can see our paid group. I don't want to open it. We have some trades we send there, and some of them are actually moving already in the right direction. We're buying GB USD, NZ USD. I will show you as we progress for our analysis this week. So guys, this week we are still believing that gold should bounce from there, all right? But it's a risky trade, like I said before. So that's analysis for gold. So let's see how it plays out this week. If gold will actually bounce from this particular place, so we'll still leave it like this and come back next week to see what actually played out. Okay, so let's progress and see USD CHF. Last week we were not able to analyze USD CHF, but from where previously we have been buying USD CHF, and we have actually made good pips because we started buying from this region, and you can see where the market is. So this is over 200 pips made. Look at it, over 300 pips. So some of our trades here hit TP5, but instead you can see we started buying from this place last month. Some of the trades since January, yes, since January, this is January, we started buying USD CHF. So some of the trades stayed over 1 month before hitting TP5. So that's what we tell people, to be patient when it comes to trading. Don't run away from your position. You just see some pips, you run away. Yeah, though it's a level trading, and which have up to TP5. And if you check the result once again, you see it here. Look at this USD CHF. All right. So if you check our previous result, you see also that we made some good pips from USD CHF. So at the moment, we are out of the trade because it's currently at a resistance. This point now is a resistance. So there may be some retracement from this point where the price is, right? So this price is actually at a resistance. So USD may fall from this point back like this, right? So by USD we are interested in buying USD. So once it falls down, so if you want a short-term trade on USD it should be a sell, right? So once it comes down to this point, we may look for another opportunity to buy. So at the moment, we are anticipating that price should fall from that zone. So this is what we are trying to see in USD. So we are going to see a drop from this zone because this place is actually resistance. That's where USD is right now. Some may call it supply zone. So let's wait and see price action for a massive drop on USD, right? Okay, so let's go to USD CAD. All right, USD CAD, at the moment we are selling USD CAD. Last week we didn't take USD CAD. I told you that we are still looking for opportunity for a drop on USD CAD. At the moment the price is moving up, so gradually it's coming to this resistance again. You can see our stop loss. This is TP1, so we have it up to TP5. So we're expecting USD CAD to fall from this point where it is right now, to fall all the way down. So this is analysis on USD CAD. So we anticipate that price will fall from this particular region, this particular place where price is currently right now. So this is what we are looking. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see that it's actually forming a failure swing on 1 hour time frame. So failure swing, when you measure from this point, from here to here, right? This is a failure swing strategy. So this is a failure swing strategy. All right, so most likely you can see 161.8. This is actually TP1, right? This is where my TP1 is, from this place to this place. Once price have already broken here, so we started selling from here. So our entry point was 1.3620, right? Yes, 3620 was the entry point. Our stop loss is 1.3720. So we're expecting price to go down all the way to 423.6. So this is TP1, TP2, TP3 if you want to trade this as a failure swing, all right? But when we get the entry point, it wasn't really a failure swing that we saw when we sent out the trade to our paid clients, right? So let's see how it plays. But this week we are selling USD CAD, all right? So let's check Euro CAD, all right? Euro CAD. Also, remember we told you that we are looking for opportunity to sell short Euro CAD, but it's still at the middle, and that's why we have left the trade. If you want to take the trade, you can, but you'll be risking high. So we want to see price getting close to this structure, this resistance point, before we sell Euro CAD again, all right? But we believe that Euro CAD will go down more, right? Nothing more change with Euro CAD, right? So let's go to USD JPY. USD JPY, we anticipated price to move down from here last week. We are wrong. Price actually moved down small and went back up. So what we could see on USD JPY is price touching here, right? Making a little bit of high and then moving down. This is what we could see on USD JPY. Price making a little bit of high here and then still go down. Alright, So this is what we are anticipating from this pair, right? So price could actually try to touch here and go down, or price continue to go down from where it is right now. So at the moment, I'm not on the trade because I want to see if price will try to test this particular zone once again. Look at the zone. Look at it. Yes, this is the zone, and that's our selling zone, right? So let's see what will happen. But whichever way, we want to short USD JPY once there is a good price action. So let's go to AUD USD, right? AUD USD, let's go to daily time frame. On a daily time frame, remember we draw this, and I told you that I'm anticipating price to start to move up from this point. So right now, price is still very much okay at the D point because this is a harmonic pattern, XABCD pattern, right? ABC pattern, XABCD pattern. So we are still believing that price is still very much at a good entry point, as in at a demand zone where we could actually buy AUD USD for this week. All right, so let's see how it plays out. So nothing more change. We are still anticipating price to move up from here. So NZD USD, same scenario. NZD USD, look at it. We are actually buying NZD USD already, and then right, price have moved up and is back to entry points. Let's see what happened now. Yeah, okay, we are still on profit anyway. Yeah, with this is entry point and this is TP1. So NZD USD, nothing more change. Price still at the demand zone, currently at the entry point. You can see the harmonics that showed here. Alright, so we are still believing that price will go up from this particular place where it is right now. So let's watch and see what will happen on NZD USD. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD have been moving down because dollar has been very strong. Alright, remember I told you that price could actually test here. So you can see price is very close to this demand zone. So let's, for Euro USD, we need to wait and see if price will actually drop to this point before you can buy Euro USD. So at the moment we are not taking any trade because price is still, though it may go up from here, but price may still go down to touch this 1.0470 1.047 area, yes, which is around this area. So let's wait and see what will happen in the market this week before you can actually execute your trade for Euro USD. But however, we have already entered GBP USD. You can see that it's very close to TP. Alright, we're actually buying GBP USD because this structure here is actually you can see the structure like a demand zone. This is H1 time frame. So if you go to D1 on higher time frame, you see that, see what price have been doing. That place is a key level. If price breaks here, then we can see price fall down all the way to 61.8, which is around here. But any meaningful bounce, price will actually go up and it won't break here. So at the moment, we are buying on a short time intraday trading. So believing that price will go up from here, and it's already up. We're already on profit. Look at it for H1 once again. And today we believe that it will hit our TP, which is very close right now. Okay, with our TP. So we are still buying GBP USD. Right. So GBP CHF, same GBP CHF, nothing much change from last week because we started buying GBP CHF, and the trade since this month we have been buying GBP CHF, and it has been moving slowly. You can see it moved, come back to entry point, move right now. Price on profit, and you can see I've closed my position, but I still believe that price will still go more up. But the trade is actually slow, so I have to close my position and look for faster one. Though on profit like 100 pips. I made 100 pips. I closed on 100 pips, right? So, but right now it's going towards our TP3, which is 150 pips, right? So for those that are still holding, congratulations. Ensure you move your stop loss to entry points or into profits. Let's write CHF, GBP, CHF, because it still have enough room upwards to go. All right, so let's look at CHF JPY. Remember, I told you I was holding this pair last week. So, but I've been able to close about 3 positions, only 2 positions remaining. And I told you that once it passes this previous high there, I will close those trades on loss. But thank God it went down from here. It went down, and I made some profit. I've closed. I can even close these remaining 2 trades, and I will still be on profit because I've made profits from this point up top here all the way down here, and I closed those positions. So CHF JPY for me, there's still room to move more down. CHF JPY. So let's see what will happen this week. Then we know if we get a fresh entry point, because at the moment we've not sent any fresh entry. We still believe that price will still go down more. Alright, so let's go to Euro GBP. This is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, if you have been following our previous videos, you will see that we have been selling Euro GBP all the way from this point when here we sold and it came down, and when it went up to this point, which we also classified as a key level, resistance, supply zone, whichever thing you call it. So we started selling. Alright, these are entry points, and it went down, went back to retest, and it's down. So Euro GBP, we have to expect another drop. After this retracement, we have to expect another major drop, which is an impulsive move, another impulsive move from Euro GBP. So let's watch and see another impulsive move on the card for Euro GBP. All right, for those that are still on the trade, please ensure you move your stop loss to entry point or into profits. So let's look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY, yeah, last week we told you that price should go down from that point, and you can see that price went down. This played out well. Price went down from there, though it is back to entry point again. So any meaningful bounce, you should be as this thing for sale, an entry point for sale. Look at it, over 150 pips made from Euro JPY. So it's back to entry points, right? So we could still see another drop again for Euro JPY. Alright, so these are analysis for this week. Guys, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, Dubi's Forex Academy. Let us make profit trading in the global financial market. Thank you very much for watching. Ensure you take our analysis very serious. Let's come back next week and see how analysis fared. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys.